Good day and welcome everyone. My name is Carolina. I'm the Project Marketing Coordinator at Teltonika Telematics, and I will lead you through the presentation we have prepared for you. Mainly, you will learn about FMC650 and FMM650, a new professional trackers with the latest connectivity standards. Also, I will overview the entire professional devices portfolio and help you to understand the main advantages. So let's begin. So our agenda for today's webinar is following. We prepared this webinar with an introduction of all professional trackers portfolio, unique features and functionalities to our FMC650 and FMM650 devices, and multiple use cases to help you better understand how to benefit from using these trackers and what values they bring. We will wrap up the webinar with a live Q&A session where our project coordinator Donatas will answer your questions. So don't hesitate to leave your questions in the Q&A tab. Let's start. Now we will discuss Teltonika's professional devices portfolio and advantages to your business. Starting from what is a professional device in general in Teltonika. Professional category GPS devices are distinguished by hassle-free tachograph download for driver time and heavy-duty transport management, effective CAN bus data reading, diagnostics and maintenance solutions, comprehensive solutions to connect various external equipment for the most complex use cases. Now, I would like to introduce our full portfolio of Teltonika professional devices. And let's take a better look at each Pro device and its main features. Starting with FMx650 series devices. They are compact for the class vehicle tracker with external GNSS, internal GSM antennas, and an internal battery. They have digital input, output, impulse input, and various interfaces to expand usage scenarios, projects, and diversity income streams. The key features are external GNSS antenna extends mounting options where the device needs to be hidden and satellite visibility is low. Dual SIM allows a backup communication channel where the coverage of a single operator is not sufficient. It significantly reduces roaming costs. RS-232, RS-485 serial interfaces for external data reading and communication with external devices like RFID readers or e-button tags for driver identification, digital and ultrasonic fuel sensors, and more. The models are available for 2G, 4G LTE Cat1, and 4G LTE Cat M1 networks. Second, FMx225 series devices. They are compact for the class vehicle tracker with external GNSS, internal GSM antennas, and an internal battery. They have digital input, output, and various interfaces to expand usage scenarios, projects, and diversity income streams. The key features are the IP67 rated tracking devices are dust-tight and protected against the effects of temporary immersion in water. It can be mounted inside and outside of a vehicle without worries that a high-pressure water, mud, or dusty environment will impact its operation or performance quality. This is particularly relevant for industries where harsh conditions exist, such as agriculture, constructions, mining, etc. RS-232, RS-485 series interfaces for external data reading and communication with external devices like RFID readers or e-button tags for driver identification, digital and ultrasonic fuel sensors, Garmin navigation devices, and more. Dual SIM allows a backup communication channel where the coverage of a single operator is not sufficient. It significantly reduces roaming costs. The models are available for 2G, and 4G LTE Cat 1 networks. Then FMB641, one of FMx6 series category devices, is a comprehensive terminal for professional applications. The model has a new processor that improves the device computation power, therefore, it can be tailored to more specific use cases. We have designed it for the complex solutions where one GPS tracker can perfectly perform multiple tasks and support various third-party devices to maximize fleet efficiency. The key features are tachograph or FMS bus data reading throughout two CAN bus lines, reading data from external devices such as thermographs, complete monitoring of simple accessories with multiple inputs and outputs. And finally, please meet the latest Pro devices FMC650 and FMM650, professional category vehicle GPS trackers with 4G LTE Cat 1 network coverage. These GPS devices are designed to meet the highest requirements in vehicle telematics, when many types of external equipment and accessories have to be connected at once. Let's make a more precise look at the tracker's features and functionalities one by one. Pro FMx6 category trackers are the most complete trackers in Teltonika Telematics portfolio because the hardware features cover almost all the other Teltonika trackers. Let's dig deeper to the feature one by one. Starting with the key features of the FMx6 devices include 4 digital inputs, 4 analog inputs, 4 digital outputs, CAN data reading via J1939 protocol and devices has 2 CAN lines, 4 times larger internal battery capacity compared to FMX9, 2 3232 ports and 1 RS485 port, external connections for GNSS and GSM antennas, dual SIM connectivity with 2 SIM slots is available on the device as well. Now let me explain to you what does FMS mean. Fleet Management System, FMS, is a standard for Europe heavy-duty vehicles based on J1939 protocol. FMS standard was developed to have one standard which could be used of different heavy-duty vehicles manufacturers to receive data which could be used to track vehicles using condition and use. Main parameters such as fuel rate and fuel used, odometers, axle weight, engine parameters, and more. FMS cable is a special accessory that is suitable for making connection to FMx6 devices and vehicles FMA main units. I want to highlight it's so easy to use our device. We even call it plug-and-play solution. Let me introduce some new features that will bring added value to FMx6 series devices. In case FMS main unit is disabled, in the vehicle we have provided for you locked FMS solution. Locked FMS reading solution is to eliminate the LV CAN adapter and read data with FMx6 only. Instead of connecting LV CAN to the truck, we propose connecting FMx6 devices with eCAN, contactless CAN reader. From now on, we can read FMS data from any type of electric vehicle. This functionality has been added from FMC650 to read CAN data by using J1939 protocol. New feature unlocks the possibility to get crucial information regarding the battery of the vehicle, which could help calculate other valuable information such as distance range left. Main parameters regarding this feature would be temperature, voltage, and current status of the battery, weight of the truck and trailer, and state of the battery health. FMS Eco Driving functionality has created to save time and money for the client. Every vehicle manufacturer has its own system integrated to the heavy-duty vehicle to have a report for the driver and vehicle information which is sent to the manufacturer server as a report. Mostly fleet managers has different vehicles manufacturers use, in which could be inconvenient to receive information in more than one server and pay a subscription to each different manufacturer. FMx6 devices collect information, makes calculations, and after the trigger, the report is being sent to the server. If there is need to extract any information based on J1939 protocols from heavy-duty vehicles, there could be used manual CAN functionality. There could be extracted up to 70 different parameters. Options to read CAN information would be FMS interface, OBD connector, use CAN adapter, connection via tachograph. With this functionality, manager can save fuel, vehicle equipment, and maintenance costs. As you can see in the picture, J1939 protocol could be used in different vehicle types: boats, agro fleet, public buses, and heavy special transport for mining and construction fleets. Especially for boats, it uses ENMEA 2000 protocol for communication, but ENMEA 2000 protocol is based on J1939. That's the reason why we can extract data with FMx6 series devices. This means, from now on, we can offer you a new use cases for both tracking. Additional new functionality, which is called manual CAN requests, were implemented on new series devices. This functionality helps fleet owners ensure that they have access to all the relevant data from the vehicles, regardless of timing or even if certain parameters are automatically sent. This empowers them to manage their fleet more efficiently, reduce operational costs, and improve the overall performance and reliability of the vehicles. We want to introduce another brand new functionality that enables reading diagnostic messages from trucks. This valuable addition allows for instant visibility into any issues, facilitating prompt maintenance and optimal repair planning. In table, you can see header and examples of possible messages with information which you could help to maintain the vehicle instantly when DTC code being received. For more technical information, please contact your sales managers. A tachograph is equipment used in heavy-duty vehicles to extract different kinds of information. Based on this, there was created a regulation to have rules for the drivers which could make all the trips to transport all the goods safely without any risks. Using our FMx6 devices, you can unleash possibilities to read video counter data, connect with tachograph Gen 2 version 2, and read tachograph live data, download DDD files, and use front panel connection. CAN resistant is a new feature that is implemented in new series devices FMC650, FMM650, and FMB641, which were made from the hardware side and firmware side. CAN resistance could be switched on, off via configuration, SMS, or GPRS commands. This functionality eliminates possible connectivity loss throughout CAN lines connections and brings value because of faster and cheaper mounting process. So in the first part of this presentation, I have introduced unique and new features of FMx6 devices. Let's have a quick look at the key features of Teltonika Professional devices for better understanding what value it can bring for your business. FMx6 series devices for RS232, RS485 functionality work as a gateway, which means it forwards information from external device to the server. This feature is called TCP ASCII binary mode. The other uses modes could be LLS sensors, RFID cards readers, Garmin, Iridium, LVCAN adapters. Next, data call solution. This functionality allows us to connect and monitor data from different solutions with thermographs, which has every refrigerator. With that solution, we can monitor these refrigerators' different zones temperatures and also check the in-out temperatures to make actions if it's needed. To facilitate data code solution and easier connection, we offer you a reefer cable, plug-and-play solution for carrier refrigerators. Supported carrier refrigerators are Vector 1800, Vector 1850, Vector 1850 MT, and Vector 1550. We also offer video solutions connected with Teltonika Professional devices for special video-required use cases. Teltonika video telematics solutions are Teltonika DSM, Teltonika Dashcam, Teltonika DualCam, ADAS, and ADAS Plus. Going next to custom scenarios, which is a specific feature where you can make rules with up to 3 different sources to activate doubt. This functionality will allow you to set different scenarios according to events and control activate simple external devices. For example, drive with a seatbelt, engine is running, and trailer doors are open. Please contact our sales managers and learn more how to use the advantage when you can customize your fleet control. Impulse counter main functionality purpose is to check the fuel flow meter, working hours, or RPM on the machinery that could not send data itself via CAN lines. This could be high fuel usage machinery or generators. By using impulse counter, you can use any digital or analog input pin to track impulses RPM between records. Convert impulses to your required data and track the working state of the equipment that is monitored. I have covered numerous features and functionalities that our FMx6 series devices can offer. Now, let's briefly explore the primary use cases and businesses benefit they can bring to your companies. FMS Eco Driving aids companies to optimize fuel consumption, reduce data traffic and costs, optimize maintenance and reduce emission, promote safer driving. Vehicle maintenance with FMS Telltale status improves company profitability, boosts workforce discipline, secures driver accountability and safety, supports global connectivity. Digital tachograph monitoring secures easy administration of tachograph report, provides a variety of supported files, ensures easily accessible software, and tachograph file storage. A specific driver card schedule from WebTacho gives remote and convenient tachograph files access, allows companies to save valuable resources and money. Cold chain monitoring ensures cargo quality accuracy, fridge door status defection, accurate location tracking, and live data monitoring. Waste transport management. By using Pro devices, companies can optimize the routes, reschedule truck loading, servicing more efficiency, prevent unsafe behavior. Mining cargo control allows efficiency cargo delivery, protects cargo for the fullest extent, and helps to keep drivers safe. Professional tracking with Iridium connected telematics solution secures valuable data anywhere in the world, regardless of weather conditions, smooth transitions between networks, helps reduce company costs, and the most important, keeps driver and passengers safe. Airport ground vehicles and assets tracking provides automated hassle-free drivers and operates time tracking, monitoring, and management, boosts workforce discipline, secures smooth airport operations, and positive environment impact. Both tracking and monitoring secures reliable and global coverage, real-time monitoring, and comprehensive prevention from thief. And the last but not the least, I have sneak peek for you. We are planning to launch a special feature for agriculture machinery. We are working on that. So stay tuned and you will know first. And now let's summarize the webinar. Together we have learned professional trackers portfolio, unique and main FMC650 and FMM650 features, multiple use cases, and of course, appreciated Q&A session. I want to say big thank you. I hope this information was interesting and useful for your businesses. Please contact our sales managers all over the world and learn much more about professional devices. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.